All powerful God, all glory is yours. Be good, my brothers and sisters. I thank the Almighty for this solemn occasion, wherein we have witnessed a very responsible. Sadhana stands committed to humanizing education. Of all the qualities of any human being, greatly glorious aspects carried for others. Every organism under the creation lives for their own. Animals, plants, everything. Man alone can live for others. Man alone can breathe for the welfare of others. Man alone can dedicate his life to improve the quality of life of others. Man alone can think of stopping, arresting the tears of the suffering. Man alone can think of quenching the hunger and thirst of the starving people. With this in mind, we wanted to shape now an upcoming generation which will be socially responsible, taking care of the interest of the community at large, the society at large, the country at large. So with that vision, we introduced this concept of students' cabinet in the year 2008. And I was seeing installation in various areas. In Lions Club, we have witnessed the cabinet installations. State governments, central governments, cabinet installations. But here, this is unique because it is done in the interest of growing such an upcoming generation which will dedicate all its life and spirit without any expectation for the welfare of others. That's what we are trying here, to inculcate that kind of values, human values, social values. And a leader is basically a listener. Only when you are prepared to listen to the representation of others, the grievances of others, then only you will be able to think on it, decide on it. A leader, when he happens to be a good listener, naturally, he will have the tendency to understand, appreciate, and do concrete things. So with that in mind, we are giving so many opportunities for these ministers to participate in decision-making sessions, in problem-solving sessions, in organizing functions, in monitoring the discipline, how the track rules are followed, how silent zones are respected, what about the behavior in the restroom. So everything is monitored and they are given that opportunity. Even the attendance, regularity in attendance, that's a vital factor. And significantly, we have 6 small classes now, 3 in free sadhana, 3 in home sadhana. So there is a portfolio specially created for that small class. And we have introduced Translate software for our academic management and office management. For that